What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. So I'm gonna be working on two videos at the same time. Obviously one of them is gonna be us finishing day 90, and the video that you guys are watching right now is us wrapping the Z4. Sorry, ignore the noise. My brother's trying to move the MK6, but it's stick shift, and he's hardly ever driven anything that's like stick shift, so he's having a little bit of a hard time just getting it out of the way and stuff. Yeah, he doesn't know how to drive stick shift. But we got the Z4 in. Alex literally just dropped it off to us, and we're gonna bring it in. And honestly, like, I thought he was gonna do like a loud color, something like the 890, just because he wanted it to stand out and stuff like that. But he ended up going with the Satin Black by 3M, which is sick. I've always loved this color. Always loved this color. I actually wanted to do like a Satin Black on the F32, but it's already black, and it wasn't really gonna change much. Yeah. So Alex does like night shifts at his job, which is dope because that means he just dropped it off and we can get it done like at night. We should be able to finish like at least half the car, and the panels are like really small, so this should be pretty easy. But of course he cleaned it for us, which is going to help a lot. And we still have to debadge, so we still have to like prep the car for wrap, so that's going to take maybe like an hour or so just to like clean it again, take off the badges, detail the car. And yeah, this car is gonna look so sick. Like, don't get me wrong, like I like the silver, but this is just such like an ordinary color. Like, you see this like in every other car, so it's nothing like super special. But this Satin Black, like, you honestly don't see it like, depending on actually where you live, like you might see it like here and there, but in the Madera, like Fresno area, like I've legit only seen like maybe one other car with like a Satin Black. Everything else is like a gloss black, so it's gonna look sick. And he ordered, I think, like a gloss black to do like this and the grill and stuff like that. He wants to do carbon fiber, but right now he's gonna do just the gloss black, just freaking match and stuff. But it's gonna be so sick. And for the people that were asking me like on my DMs or even like commenting on the videos, they were saying if the car is raspy after we gutted the cats and did like the full straight pipe. It's not really raspy, like hardcore raspy. It's honestly just the tips, so why you hear the little like dot 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 noise. The tips are so cheap, like they just rattle, and it's so disgusting. Later. Cool. So the homie drives a 335 like stage 2. What is it, like full bolt-ons? Yep, full bolt-ons. He's running a JB4, and obviously you guys know I have the pure stage 2 turbo, but it's still having like the fuel cuts issues. So I'm gonna let him drive it and see how it feels, see if I can get a comparison between like the actual 335 with like the N54 like monster motor it is versus like the N55.
You can even jump on if you want to. Afterwards, you can feel the
afterwards?
difference, you know?
Yeah, I'm done. Oh shit. I'm so used to it. If anything, let me get this started up, because I was literally telling him that like 2 days, like it's been 2 days that I like started it or haven't started it, so it's gonna be like sort of loud.
Ready?
Yeah. Take it around the block, and then I'll hop in his car and see how like the difference is. It'll be literally my first time driving an N54, and I fucking love these engines. Like, one day I want to make like a project build with one of these, so it's gonna be pretty sick. So let's go around the block and see what he thinks. Ready? Yo. You can fix the seat if you need to or whatever.
Oh yeah, bro. Looks like you were sleeping in or something.
No, this fool drove it. So it's hella back.
Yeah, that was like 6'7",
6'2", 6'3". That was hella big. Have you driven one of these before or not?
The last time, I don't even remember how to go to reverse.
You have to push the button on the side, and then let you one more. Yeah, let you do reverse.
The last time that I drove is when you came over to the pad when you first bought the car.
Oh yeah, I remember.
What was it, like almost a year ago already?
Yeah. It's been a cool minute. We could probably take it like back there.
Yeah. I did a little pullback over there yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Right there.
And then swerve it to the left.
Huh?
The switch, put it to the left. That way you can be on paddle shift mode. And then put it up to sport real quick. Let's just push sport. There we go. So now it's just all pedals and sport.
Oh, okay. That's why I have to use the paddle shift now?
Yeah. So yours is a little bit different, huh? On the left it's down, on the right it's up.
Yeah. Backfire. Sounds so damn good.
At 3,000 RPM, I have it set up where they can burble, so.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah.
Sounds fucking good, dude. Fucking love it, dude.
You can keep going if you want, just go straight.
I'm just like reaching right here.
Yeah.
Sounds hella good, dude.
You could do like a first gear pull if you want.
Damn, dude.
Sounds cool.
Yeah, I want to do it right there next to their ears. She sounds hella good, dude. I need to do that on mine, dude. That's with the AIM HD, huh? You can do that?
Yeah.
Sheesh. Yeah, my car doesn't do this, man. You can hear like little baby burbles, but that's about it. That's how stuff mufflers.
Because JB4, you can do burble with JB4?
Nah, dude.
No?
Well, from my knowledge, I don't think so. I'm not sure, to be honest. I haven't really messed with the settings a lot, you know? Sounds like a damn race car, to be honest.
This is honestly like legit the first time I've ever been like an N54.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm like low-key excited because like I've heard a lot of stories, especially this one. Oh shit, my bad.
So much better with tint, huh?
Hell yeah. I like how fucking small this feels. Like it feels like a little rocket ship.
Little rocket ship. I don't like how the coupes are, to be honest. I'm not the coupes, the sedans.
Sedans, nah, they feel weird.
Hell yeah.
And then there's no space in the back.
In the sedans or the coupes?
Both. Like that is.
Back there, bro. There ain't no type of space. My car sounds hella more quiet. Get out of yours.
Oh yeah, so I got the verbal shit going on. You have so right now you're just JB4 Map 5?
Yep, JB4 Map 5, Callis downpipes, and I also have the SSR Performance cold air intake. I think it was tile or teal blow-off valve with the charge pipe and a 5-inch intercooler.
Cool, those legit full bolt-ons.
Basically, yeah, you can't really get more out of it than that. I'm gonna pull on it when I get to the
yeah, just do the straightaways.
Alright. You know how to brake boost or no?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
I'm still trying to learn how to do that.
I learned like a couple months back when I was racing like a Z and shit like that. He kept taking me. Yeah. Jeez.
100.
Fuck. Bro, why does that feel so much faster?
You think so?
Yeah, like dead ass.
You didn't
Like,
get
I don't know.
No?
We're not exposing that, guys. That shit felt so quick. Nah, I'm scared. I don't want to break your car.
It's pretty smooth, to be honest. I like how it is. Like
it just,
speed, you know?
it's crazy because I didn't feel any delay. Like it just kept pulling and pulling and pulling. Like that's just stupid.
That's the thing
like
with the JB4. It has like some type of anti-lag into it, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a separate type of version you have to get for it.
all right, guys. So homie over here has a YouTube and an Instagram. What you want to do is a quick shout out?
Yeah, for sure, man. Thanks. N54 Fanatic. I'll be posting all my everything that I do on my car. I'll post it on my YouTube channel. Like literally, I'll be posting some little small videos. Like I recently got the 1054 335. What I've been doing lately, I put on some dual cone intakes. So you guys, if you guys seen a little pull that I did earlier, I was talking about it. So every single model that I'm gonna be doing on my car, you know, if you guys are interested in seeing 335 mile content, head over to my channel if you guys are interested. Yeah.
His car's so fucking dope, guys. Go give him a follow, go give him a subscribe. That's just dope.
Thanks, my boy.
Jeez.
Appreciate it.
Alright, bro, I'll catch you then.
Yeah, for sure, dude.
Jeez. Alright, deuces, bro. That's just sick. And then over here, I know I was gonna tell you guys, like, I was gonna give you guys an update once we were completely done, but we're like about like 40% done. Quick update, we're definitely not gonna be able to finish the car just because the front bumper and the rear bumper still need another like 5x15, like another set of wrap. So we're almost done. We have like enough to do like the trunk maybe, but that's gonna be it. So Alex already ordered like the rest of the wrap that we needed, but yeah, I was gonna do like a whole reveal for you guys and stuff like that, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to. Damn, Satin black with that red is freaking awesome. I'm so jealous right now. Guess what, boys, we're all done. Nah, I'm just kidding. So the front and the rear bumper, and I think that's it. A little part of the roof are still not complete. He has to order about like 5x15 more of wrap, and then they'll be completely. But look at this, like if I hold it right here, you can't even tell it's not wrapped, and then damn, it looks so sick. Satin black with like the red interior, so sick. We even did like a satin black banner, and it looks so sick. It might be a little too low, we might have to like bring it up a little bit, but still it looks so sick. Sheesh. So Alex already went to work, so we're just gonna bring the car over to his house. That way we have a little bit of space, because we have a little F32 project we have to do, and we don't have space in the garage. Like, it's completely like packed. So in order to complete a little bit of space, we're gonna bring it out, just put it in Alex's driveway. That way when he gets the rest of the wrap, we can bring it in and just finish the job. But damn, it looks so sick. Sheesh, super jealous. All right, boys, so let's go ahead and bring it over. It's literally like 4 houses down. We're just gonna drive over there, just take it over there. But first, let me get this startup, because it literally hasn't been started in like 2-3 days that it's been here. Sheesh, freaking love this color. It looks so sick. All right, I'm gonna put you guys down and I'll get that startup. Oh my god, I feel like I'm so close to my F32. I feel like it's gonna hit. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh, no, we're cool. We're cool. Alright, let's turn on the lights. And as you guys can hear, Alex has like a really bad misfire going on, and it sounds so nasty. Oh my god, bro, I'm literally waking up like the whole neighborhood right now. So fucking loud. Let's turn this off. Sheesh. Let's close the windows. Popping Patrick, here are the keys. Bro, check it out. I said check like half of it out. It looks so sick.
Shit, it looks like panda. Yeah, honestly, looks pretty nice.
Bro, look at this side, because this side's basically almost complete and it looks so fucking sick.
Oh, everything's done on the side?
Yeah. Sheesh.
I just need the front, the rear bumper, front bumper, and the top.
Yeah, I told him to get like 15x5, and that should completely like finish the car. But like turn on the lights. I mean, like unlock it real quick. That way you can see like the red interior. Bro, that looks fucking sick. Like from this angle, just a freaking black on red. Sheesh, I'm about to Snapchat this real quick. Damn, it looks so
He
sick.
needs different halos though.
Oh yeah, for sure. I told him. Oh, we blacked out his grill too.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
With the wrapper or the paint?
No, it was wrap. We had a little bit left over, so we wrapped that up. We did his little mirror caps. I know he wanted to do carbon, so eventually I guess he'll get them, but that's like not another month from now. Looks sick, huh?
Yeah. That was sick. I mean, you can't really tell anything. It just looks pure black. It looks a lot.
He needs to wash it because it looks dirty.
You got this little banding too.
Yeah, we didn't really clean it up. Honestly, it still has like smudges. So yeah, you can tell. So when he washes it, just tell him to be careful because it'll sound back like hell.